Dear friends, greeting. Today we will learn a couple of tricks concerning data entry, SPSS, and exporting your diagrams or your records in Microsoft Word and Excel. So the trick is about something like values. Here we have four values: email, mailing, website. For example, if there are only four values, then you will write here email, put the label of email, and that's it. Four values only, and you can do it very easy. But what happens when you have plenty of job values, titles, and plenty of entries like this, where we have the job titles, that is about more than 326. 326 are the job titles, and we need to enter them in his job title area. Put here job values and as a value labels here. So if you try to write it down like one teacher ad and two lecturer ad and something like this about 300 times, so it's a very tedious job and would be a very lengthy one. What is the easiest way to do this? Is very simple. So let's see how we can do that. So it is very simple process. You just copy your code. I'm using SPSS version 26 for Mac. Simple. This technique is very simple and very easy. Just hold down Option plus Command or Option plus Control if you are using Windows version, and then Command C or Control C to copy it. Then open your SPSS and go for the syntax. Go for the new and syntax. And here in syntax, just one click below and then just Control V or Command V. Command V to copy it. And then top, write ADD, and then you will find this add values label. And then go to the just give a space bar and go to the SPSS where you wish to enter the value label and copy your job title. Command C or Control C. Again, go to the syntax and paste it. And here write execute dot. Select all and run it. And you will see, so as it will be completed, you will see that in the job title area, you have your entries. This is your entries, every entries. But at 200, we have a 326 entries. As you can see in our Excel file, it is about 326. It is about 326. But here we have only 200 entries. So what's wrong with it? So therefore, we need to go again to the syntax and try to find out the problem. The problem with the entry was somewhere at 200. Alright, so let's see what's wrong in this syntax at the number of 200. You'll see that at 200, managerial investigation, and there is a wildcard. Parenthesis bracket. I have a bracket here somewhere, and this is again bracket. So we have to remove these brackets. Alright. So what is the lesson in it? That in syntax you should not enter any bracket or parenthesis or any sort of a comma. So again select it and then go to your data and you'll find it. And now you have a 326 works accounted. Alright. So if we going for the another purpose, how to export it, we can see this frequency table, and it reflects and it provides you all sort of results. So what you will do from here, right click, and you can see an option that is the export. Click it. So here you will see you have a couple of options like Excel, HTML, web, portable, PDF format even. You can do that. Text, you see UTF-8 and Word also. So if you are exporting it to the Word, just click it. And this is the file name. You can change this by browsing it. So for the time being, I am continuing it. Alright, let me change it for the users, and then rush it share, and then comes to the where is desktop. This is desktop. All right. So saving it. I'm saving it at desktop. A Word document containing my result. I'm saving it desktop by giving a name output tutorial or something like this, whatever. So this is the way we just exporting and the saving and exporting it. So if we come to the desktop, output, this is output tutorial. This is the way. Just double click it. Let's check whether this technique is successful or not. So this is Microsoft. All right. So this is, you see, your output successfully exported to the Word document, and here it is. So you can change here from whatever you like, Times New Roman, and turn this, and you can change anything from here or whatever you like. So that is how you can export your data in Word or Excel or other formats. That is very easy. And how you can add job title, or you can have the labels, add value labels in SPSS. Thank you very much.